What's up guys, and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. Right here in today's video, we have this nice algebra problem and we are to solve for this. So the first thing guys you want to do is to say, suppose x is equal to the cube root of 10 minus 1 divide 3. Alright, so we want to say suppose x is equals to this, so hence we have that we are solving for x raised to the power of 5 is equal to, we are solving for this. So from here, all we have to do is to cross multiply. So we have 3x is equals to the cube root of 10 minus 1. Alright, so collecting like terms, we have 3x plus 1 is equal to the cube root of 10. So all we have to do is to take the cube root of both sides. So taking the cube root of both sides, we have this to be 3x plus 1 all raised to the power of 3 is equal to this. We can swap this is equal to 10. So applying this property, that is, if we have a plus b all raised to the power of 3, this is equal to a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3 plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. And from here we have that a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 1. So from here we have this to be 3x all raised to the power of 3 plus 1 raised to the power of 3 plus 3 multiply 3x all square multiply 1 plus 3 multiply 3x multiply 1 square. Okay, so this will give us 27x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 raised to the power of 3 is 1 plus 3 multiply 3x all square give us 9x square multiply 1 plus 3 multiply 3x multiply 1, and this is equal to 10. This is equal to what? 10. So from here we have 27x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 plus 3 multiply 9x square will give us 27x square multiply 1 is also 27x square plus 3 multiply 3x multiply 1 will give us 9x, which is equals to what? 10. So we have to simply collect like terms. So we have 27x raised to the power of 3 plus 27x square plus 9x. This is equals to 10 minus 1. So we have 27x raised to the power of 3 plus 27x square plus 9x, and this is equals to what? 9. 10 minus 1, we have 9 right here. So all we have to do is to divide both sides by 9, but the first thing we want to do is to simply factor out the common term, and we have the common term right here to be 9. So if you factor out 9 from this, we are going to have 3x raised to the power of 3 plus 3x squared plus x, and this is equals to 9. So now we can easily divide both sides by 9. So doing that, this is going to cancel out this. So we have 3x raised to the power of 3 plus 3x squared plus x is equal to 9 here 1, 9 here 1. 1 divide 1, we're going to have this to be 1. Okay, so right here, we want to simply isolate 3x raised to the power of 3. So doing that, we have 3x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 1 minus x minus 3x squared. So the next thing we want to do right here is to simply multiply both sides by x squared. So multiply both sides by x squared, we have 3x raised to the power of 3 multiply x squared. So this is equal to x squared multiply 1 minus x squared multiply x minus x squared multiply 3x squared. Okay, so from here we have this to be 3x raised to the power of 5, because x raised to the power of 3 multiply x raised to the power of 3 give us x raised to the power of 5, which is equals to x squared multiply 1 is x squared minus x squared multiply x is x raised to the power of 3 minus x squared multiply 3x squared. This is going to give us 3x raised to the power of what? 4. So this is equal, so from here we have this to be 3x raised to the power of 5 is equal to x squared minus x raised to the power of 3 minus, now we can easily express this to be 3 multiply x raised to the power of 3 multiply what? X. We want to simply recall that 3x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 1 minus x minus 3x squared, right? So we want to recall that 3x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 1 minus x minus 3x squared. So wherever we see 3x raised to the power of 3, we want to simply make use of this. So from here, if we divide both sides by 3, this is going to cancel out this. So we have that x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 1 minus x minus 3x squared divide what? 3. Alright, so we're going to name this equation what? Star. Alright, so from here, from this equation, wherever we see x raised to the power of 3, we want to simply put in 1 minus x minus 3x squared divide 3. So we have 3x raised to the power of 5 is equal to x squared minus, now x raised to the power of 3, we are going to put 1 minus x minus 3x squared divide 3 minus 3 multiply. Now we have x raised to the power of 3, so we have this to be 1 minus x minus 3 x squared divide 3 multiply what? X, alright? Okay, so from here we have this to be 3x raised to the power of 5 is equal to x squared minus into 1 minus x minus 3 x squared divide 3 minus this, we cancel out this, so we have 1 multiply x will give us x in brackets minus x multiply x will give us minus x squared minus 3x squared multiply x will give us minus 3x cubed right here. So we have 3x raised to the power of 5 is equal to x squared. Now I want to simply separate this fraction, so we have minus 1 over 3 minus times minus is plus, so we have x over 3 minus times minus is plus, so we have 3x squared divide 3 minus multiply x is minus multiply minus x squared will give us plus x squared minus multiply minus is plus, so we have 3x cubed right here. Okay, so from here we have this to be 3x raised to the power of 5 is equals to x squared minus 1 over 3 plus x over 3 plus this, we cancel out this, so we have x squared minus x plus x squared plus 3x raised to the power of 3. So collecting like terms, we have 3x raised to the power of 5 is equal to x squared x squared x squared, so we have x squared plus x squared plus x squared. Now once we are done with x squared, we want to simply go to plus x over 3. Now this is can be written as over 1, so we have minus x over 1 plus 3x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 over 3. So from here we have this to be 3x raised to the power of 5 is equal to x squared plus x squared plus x squared will give us 3x squared plus, from here if we take the LCM we have this to be 3 multiply 3 1 times x is going to give us x minus 1 divide 3 is 3 multiply x will give us 3x plus, from here we have this to be 3x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 over what? 3. So we have this to be 3x raised to the power of 5 is equal to 3x squared. X minus 3x will give us minus 2x divide 3. Now we want to simply interchange this. We're going to bring in minus 1 over 3 plus what? 3x raised to the power of what? 3. Okay, but we want to recall that 3x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 1 minus x minus 3x squared. We want to simply record that right here, and this was taken from this point right here, whereby we have 3x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 1 minus x minus 3x squared. So since we know what 3x raised to the power of 3 is, so from here we have this to be 3x raised to the power of 5 is equals to 3x squared minus 2x over 3 minus 1 over 3 plus, in place of 3x raised to the power of 3 we are going to put 1 minus x minus what? 3x squared. Okay, so from here we have that 3x raised to the power of 5 is equal to, this is going to cancel out this, alright, so we have this to be, now we're going to start with a positive number to arrange this very well. So starting with positive 1, so we have 1 minus 1 over 3 minus 2x over 3 minus what? X. So we have 3x raised to the power of 5 is equal to, looking for the LCM of this, we have this to be over 3. This is over 1. So 1 divided 3 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 3 divided 3 1. 1 times 1 is 1 minus 2x over 3 minus what? X. Okay, so from here we have this to be 3x raised to the power of 5 is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2 over 3 minus 2x over 3 minus what? X. So we have 3x raised to the power of 5 is equals to 2 over 3 minus, now the LCM of this, we are going to call this 3. 3 divided 3 1. 1 times 3x will give us 2x minus 1 divided 3 is 3. 3 times x will give us what? 3x. So we have 3x raised to the power of 5 is equal to 2 over 3 minus 2x minus 3x is going to give us minus what? 5x over 3. So we have 3x raised to the power of 5 is equal to, we have a common denominator, so LCM is 3, so we have 2 minus what? 5x. So at this point we want to simply cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we have 3x raised to the power of 5 multiplied 3 is equal to 2 minus what? 5x. So we have this to be 3x raised to the power of 5 multiplied 3, we have 9x raised to the power of 5 is equal to 2 minus what? 5x. Now I want to simply recall that at the beginning we said suppose x is equal to the cube root of 10 minus 1 divide what? 3, right? So from here we are going to have this to be 9 multiply the cube root of 10 minus 1 divided 3 all raised to the power of 5 is equal to 2. So we have minus 5 multiply the cube root of 10 minus 1 divided what? 3. So we have 9 multiply the cube root of 10 minus 1 divided 3 all raised to the power of 5 is equal to 2 minus 5 multiply this, we have this to be 5 into the cube root of 10 minus times minus plus 5 times 1 is 5 divide what? 3. So from here we have that 9 multiply the cube root of 10 minus 1 divide 3 all raised to the power of 5 is equal to, we look for the LCM, we have the LCM to be 3 and this is over 1. So 1 divided 3 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6 minus 3 divided 3 1, 1 multiply the numerator, we have this to be 5 into the cube root of 10 plus 5 right here. So we are going to have this right here. So from here we have that 9 multiply the cube root of 10 minus 1 over 3 all raised to the power of 5 is equal to 6 plus 5 is 11 minus 5 multiply the cube root of 10 divide what? 3. So from here we want to multiply both sides by 1 over 9. Okay, so we have 9 multiply 1 over 9 multiply the cube root of 10 minus 1 divide 3 all raised to the power of 5 is equal to 11 minus 5 multiply the cube root of 10 over 3 multiply 1 over 9. Okay, so from here we know that this is going to cancel out this and 1 multiply this is going to give us the cube root of 10 minus 1 divided 3 all raised to the power of 5 is equal to 11 minus 5 multiply the cube root of 10 over, now we have this to be 3 multiplying 9, we have 3 multiplying 9 to be what? 27, and this becomes the final answer. So guys, we have been able to solve this nice algebra problem and we have our final answer to be this right here. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video, and if you are not yet subscribed to Mathematical Mindset, please do it. Click onto that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.